different processes lend themselves to different order quantities, right? In permanent molds, we really do a good job in that moderate volume range. 1, 2 is not necessarily going to justify ordering tooling up front. And then on the high end, because we are using the gravity fed process, going to hundreds of thousands castings is not necessarily our sweet spot either. You're buying a tool, right? So you're using something to make the parts, and if you go into some of the lower process where the tooling's cheaper, you end up getting more expensive parts. And then you go the opposite direction where you're putting in a ton of money into your tooling, you're getting a much cheaper part. So it's kind of like fitting into the middle of that range. And that's kind of the thing is, hey, we're going to be at a moderate tooling cost, but our piece price is probably going to be in that moderate range as well. So once you start getting up into the high range where you're ordering 100,000 parts, you want those piece prices to be a lot lower. And on the other end, where you're into sand casting or even in investment casting, where you're ordering a lower quantity, you want the tooling to kind of offset that and also be lower as well.
Yeah.